What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, oh. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Prince. I'm back with another YouTube video. Y'all probably thought I didn't know how to sing, but guess what? I just did. But anyway, so today I'm gonna be telling you guys about the storm that we almost got and the hurricane that we could have gotten, but we didn't, because the Lord blessed us with it. So this is gonna be the hurricane story time that we're on. So y'all, so yesterday we were just sitting out. Well, so like, comment, subscribe, please subscribe, y'all. But anyway, so yesterday we were just sitting in our house till I seen on the news to evacuate. So I had to run upstairs and tell Mama that the news said to evacuate. So she walked in the car house and I asked her, and then that actually said no. I probably was seeing the wrong thing. I might keep looking behind me because I'm just put it in. I'm with the camera so I can see. So yeah, that's the part that happened first. Then a couple of days later, like yesterday, we went to my mama's friend's daughter's birthday party, which is down the sidewalk from our apartment. And when we were getting ready to leave, they said that they were having a tornado that was coming from Sabine Pass, which is that way. So we just sit here, y'all. I was so mad because Mama came back in the house, turned up the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is like my life almost because I gotta watch my videos. I'm just already because how she be like, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Ari, that little brown girl that everybody wants to stay with. Anyways, so yeah, she came up here and turned up the Wi-Fi in the TV, but I forgot that I have a TV in my room. But so I had to go get my hamster off of out of my room and put him in the closet, in my room closet. Make sure that he had water. Make sure that he had water, food, more bedding, his little house shelter, his wheel, and all of that stuff. But I had to peel off my whole toenail because I had to peel off my whole toenail.
Dad, it's pointless. She'll never admit, dude.
But no, I'm just mad.
Wow.
So we just came up in here and
Are you still mad
they
at
turned off the Wi-Fi
Do you still think
and the
I'm a
TV,
monster?
without me knowing I had a TV in my room. So I went to go get in my sister baby because she said she was in the closet and she had like 400 windows in her room. So I'm stupid. I'm not knowing. So I wake up early in the morning at about 7 something, and she's on the couch too. So days go by.
I told you. Just to be clear.
Okay, so days go by and
Ask you to leave. Do you need me to sign something?
we look on the news and it's saying that it's flooded bad in Houston.
13 years from now.
That Harvey hit Sabine, Katie. But see, I was scared because my old, well, not to be rude or nothing, but my grandmother, well, my mother's grandmother, she lived in Katie.
No buts.
And so we had to call her, and she don't know because she hasn't been outside in the front yard yet. But anyway, because she like her backyard, but she probably didn't go in the backyard. And if her house did get flooded, she would have a place to go, which is upstairs, but she would need help getting back downstairs because she can't just walk downstairs on her own. But anyway, so we called her and she said that it was no flooding out there, but not knowing that my mother had Facebook, and she looks on Facebook and it says that it's flooded in Katy, and in Houston it said 5 people died over heartbeat. So I just want to pray for the people who got hurt. So Lord, I come to you right now. Thank you for the new day that wasn't promised to me, for another night that was not promised to me. Father God, I just pray that the people who had got killed is sitting on home squad with nobody else but you, Father God. Father God, but I just pray that the funeral goes well, Father God. Father God, I pray that I don't start crying right now.
Why are we shouting?
Father God, I pray
Why are we here? I wanted to talk, just you and me.
that every other state,
Now,
the water dries up, Father God, and I'm so me. Okay, but y'all, that was a little quick prayer because, like, I'm emotional. I'm not gonna be crying. I don't care if I cry too much because, like, my sisters.
Why do you always have to make me the bad guy?
I'm not gonna put her business all out on the spot, but
in fact,
my sister, baby died a long time ago.
Well,
And like I did, I think I gave y'all a story time on that.
it was time for me to get my own place.
Yeah, I think I took it. Yeah, I think I took it. But anyway,
With me. Yes, you should have.
but yeah.
It was very painful.
So then, like this morning, we woke up and it was raining hard, like pouring down right now. And
Someday you'll feel that way about
I was scared because I usually don't sit outside on my patio, but anyway,
There's no chance you ever feel that way about me.
like it was running all over the patio. And y'all,
You're always the optimist.
if y'all live in Port Arthur, Texas, go look by the seawall. They got those big old sandbags, big as cars. I don't know how they put them out there, but they're big as freaking cars. And
I just remembered there's something I
it
need
is
to do here.
on Proctor. When you pass up Proctor, you go straight to the back, and then you turn. So Proctor is going this way. Then you go past Proctor, and you turn this way, and then you go all the way down, and then you stop right there, and then you go to like the little seawall, where all the water at. The little sea. But anyway, that was my story time on how we almost had Hurricane Harvey in the tornado. So, love you guys. See you on the next video. And I might even have a song for y'all coming up in this video. So, love y'all. And guess what? Believe in God. Stay trustworthy. Love y'all. Love, peace, and happiness. No love, no hate. Guess what? I ain't gonna tell you. Love y'all.